Hello children, hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss a new topic, that is conjunctions. So last two classes we have discussed preposition, isn't it? Yeah. So in today's topic there is a new thing you are going to learn, that is conjunction, like how to join the sentences. Okay. So before starting the class you have to follow the steps. Sit in a comfortable position, don't bend your back, make sure you have your textbook and notebook with you and whatever you want for the video classes, and then be away from all kinds of disturbances and sounds, and 2 minutes of meditation now. Okay, close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do this for 2 minutes, this improves your focus. Okay children, so what is the topic today? I said today's topic is conjunction. You can see over here, today's topic is conjunctions. So children, before I could tell you what is conjunction, definition and what and all is there in that, we'll first revise a bit of prepositions. Okay, so prepositions we have learnt it last two videos, isn't it? Yeah, what are prepositions? So in, on, beside, behind, under, at, from, by, to, all these words are considered to be prepositions, and there is three kinds of preposition: preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of movement, isn't it? And there are these three kinds of prepositions has their own usage, isn't it? So how to use during preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of movement, depends on that. You have to use in, on, at, behind, beside, under, and there are so many, isn't it children? Yeah, and we have solved the exercise also. I hope you have got a little idea about it. Okay, so conjunctions, I am going to give you an example first. Okay, so personally I like mango, pineapple. Okay, mango, pineapple. If I want to tell in a proper sentence, what I have to tell? I like mango and pineapple, isn't it? What the word I have used in between children? Between mango and pineapple, I have used and, isn't it? In the bold letters are there, no? What is that word? And. I like mango and pineapple, isn't it? There are two things. So first I can say I like mango, I like pineapple. Two sentences, isn't it? If I want to join it, I have to use and. Okay, because I like both the things, both the fruit I like. So mango and pineapple. Okay, and keep it in mind. And so in next example we can see Ravi ran fast. First sentence is Ravi ran fast. Okay, Ravi ran fast. Then Ravi missed the bus. Okay, Ravi missed the bus. There are two sentences over here. One is he ran faster and another one is he missed the bus. If I want to join the two sentences, how I have to join? Ravi ran fast, but he missed the bus. Ravi ran fast, but I have mentioned in bold letters. Okay, Ravi ran fast, but missed the bus. Are you getting? Ravi ran fast, but missed the bus. So, but is here again another conjunction. Okay, first example I have given and. Now I have given but. Okay, one more example I'll give. Suppose children, if you go to your relative home or somewhere, people will ask you, okay, what will you have? Tea or coffee? Tea or coffee, or tea or milk? Okay, the word or is nothing but conjunction, because it is it's been like if you want either tea or coffee or milk. Okay, so either one, isn't it? If you go, they won't give you all three together to drink. Okay, any one they offer, isn't it children? So while asking, they will mention tea or coffee, tea or milk, isn't it? So the word or is again conjunction. Are you getting? Okay, and, but, or. I have given you the example. And, but, or. All these words have one thing in common. What is it children? That's nothing but they are joining the two sentences. They are joining the two words. Okay, the joining thing is nothing but conjunction. So conjunction, you can see the definition. Conjunctions are nothing but they are joining words which been used. Okay. Okay children, so conjunction is as a word that joins words and sentences together. So you can see clearly here the definition. Conjunctions are the words that join, okay, conjunctions are word that joins the words as well as sentences together. Okay, making a sentence in a one way. Okay, if there are two sentences, you can join it and make it as one. So that joining thing is nothing but conjunctions. So children, in first standard you have already learned conjunctions, that is and but. Only two conjunctions you had that time. But in this second standard class you have a lot of conjunctions, and but one thing children, in this conjunctions we don't have any rules like we have to follow that, this or types or nothing is as such, but depends on the situation you have to add a conjunction. You will get to know it. It is very easy. If you be reading the sentences, you will come to know which to use for what situation. As I told you, if I want to tell two things together which I like or which I don't like, and is been used. If I want to tell if a situation changed, even though Ravi ran but he missed the bus, here the situation is different, you have to use but. Or if I want to offer two things for you, either you want pencil or pen, or is used for the either one to choose. Okay, so depends on the sentence, you will come to know which conjunctions will suit up. I hope you understood it. I'll go through with your textbook examples and we'll read it out, and then I'll go with an exercise part, and hope you will understand it later. Okay children, we'll see it now. Okay children, so as we have seen conjunctions, these are the examples which is given in your textbook. Okay, I'll read it out, and what are the words which is there in your in bold type are conjunctions. Okay, so first example is Naveen and Nisha are good at English. So here they are joining two person name, isn't it? They are joining two people who are good in English. Okay, so I'm using and, and. He likes to eat rice and curd. See, again two things I have to say together because I like both, isn't it? And these two students both are good in English. Okay, so I have used and. That's what I told you children. When you read the sentence, you will come to know which conjunctions will suit up. Okay, they went to cannot place and brought a storybook. So they went to that place, and what they did, and they brought a storybook. Sylvie cut the onions and Gauri peeled the potatoes. So Sylvie and Gauri both are doing the work. So I have used and. So they have used and. We played very well, but we lost the match. Okay, even though they played well, but is used because you do good, but it will become to, like, it will turn to another situation. First they were playing good, but they lost the match. Are you getting? Here situation changed. So I am using but. You will catch the train if you go now. So till now we have seen and but. Even in first standard you have learned that. But these words are also used to join the two sentences, or they used to join the words. You will catch the train if you go now. So you will catch the train, but you have to go if you go now. So if is also a conjunction which add. So if he goes soon, then he can catch the train. He would not come because it was raining heavily. So children, this word you are very familiar. You know very well because you use most in sentence, in question answers, in English too. Because you use many times this word. Why we use because? I told you, no, because is used when someone asks you the reason. Okay, why you did not come to class? If I ask, you will say some reason, right? Because ma'am, because I was ill, because I went to my auntie place or my grandma place. Because is used to give the reason. Are you getting? He could not come because it was raining heavily. So since it was raining, he could not come. because is used. That's also a conjunction. You can go today or tomorrow. So I told you, two things, either today or tomorrow. Or is used for that reason. That also joins the sentence or two words. It is a conjunction, children. But what is the situation you have to use? Or is used only because when either one should be there. Either you should go today or tomorrow. But you can't go 2 days also, isn't it? Okay. Next. Stay here till I return. So till is also a conjunction. These all words you frequently see. But these are regular words. And, but, if, because, or. These are regular words you come across. The coming words are used but very rare kind. Okay. You will come to know when you go to higher classes, children. You read detail about these conjunctions. Okay. But you understand so much now. Stay here till I return. So you have to stay there till I come back. Okay. Till is a conjunction. I missed the train although I walked fast. So although I walked fast, I missed the train. I missed the train although I walked fast. So he walked fast but he missed the train. So here if I make it a reverse, I walked fast but I missed the train. But here first they have given this situation. I missed the train. I can't use but here. Okay. I missed the train although I walked fast. So same sentence, if I say I walked fast but, I have to use but at that time. But I missed the bus. So similarly, like we played well, very well, but we lost the match in the same way. Okay. I know, children, these concepts are quite difficult, but still I am trying to make you easy because so only I am telling you and, but, if, because, all these or and all these conjunctions are very commonly used. Okay. And all these conjunctions are rarely used, but you have to know about it. Okay. This is the boy who stole my book. Who is also a conjunction. Okay, you are telling that who stole your book. This is the shop which sells toys. Even which is a conjunction. Ramesh could not go to school. And children, who and which is also used for framing a question. Okay, but this also sometimes used as conjunctions. Okay, then this is the shop. Okay, which shop? Then Ramesh could not go to school because, here he could not go to school because he was ill. We shall be late if the bus does not come. So if bus does not come, they'll be late, isn't it? This is the situation. So we shall be late if the bus does not come. So you're telling the situation that we may reach the place late if bus does not come. Okay. This is the car that I want to buy. That is also used for conjunction sometimes. Okay, children. Now we'll solve few exercises. Okay, children. Can you see here? These are the exercises. Okay. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with suitable conjunctions from the list given below in the box. So there is a list of words given below in the box. You have to fill the blank. Okay. How many words they have given? And, if, because, but, although, till, who. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 words they have given, but here there are totally 10 questions. So words can be repeated, children. Okay. Don't worry that only 7 they gave and 10 questions they gave. Okay. The words can be repeated. Depends on the question. We'll solve it. Okay. You will fall sick. Dash you drink dirty water. So what I have to use? So I am telling the situation that you will fall sick. Dash you drink dirty water. If you drink that water, then you will fall sick. If, here you have to use if conjunction. Next. He is rich. Dash, he is very dishonest. He is rich. Two things are there. Two situations are there. He is rich. That's good. But he is very dishonest. He is not honest enough. So what I have to use here? But. B-U-T. But. Okay. I could not see the car. Dash, it was very dark. I could not see the car. Why I could not see the car? Because it was very dark. So I have to use because. You must drive fast. Dash you want to reach in time. So this situation is if. You must drive fast if you want to reach in time. If you see children, you must drive fast. If I add some other conjunction like if you drive fast or you want to reach in time, the sentence only won't form. Okay, that's why I'm telling. If you read the sentence, you will come to know what conjunction can be used. That's why I stress you people to read the lesson. If you be good at reading, then you will understand the grammar very well. Okay, for what situation, what conjunction and preposition will suit. Okay, so as you come to higher classes, you will come to know very clearly. You must drive fast if you want to reach in time. This is the boy dash stood first in the class. This is the boy dash stood first in the class. Who? So there is a conjunction over here, who. Okay. We eat bread dash butter in the morning. So there are two things we put together and eat. What is that? And what is the conjunction I have to use? And. We eat bread and butter in the morning. Okay, you eat both the things, no? So you have to use and. We could not come dash the car broke down. We could not come because this is the reason. Okay, we could not reach the place because the car broke down. Next, we missed the bus dash we ran very fast. We missed the bus dash we ran very fast. So that's this although. So although they ran fast, they missed the bus. He is wise. So he is a good person. He is wise dash his brother is foolish. He is wise. He is a good. But his brother is foolish. We are comparing two things. Okay. We worked dash it was very dark. We worked until it was dark they were working. Okay. Okay children, this is enough for you. There are a few more exercises, but you understand this very clearly. Okay. These are the conjunctions. I hope you understand. Practice this. Take down in your textbook. Practice and understand why the conjunction are used for what situation. Okay children. Okay, see you in the next class.